Hi guys, it is Gabrielle Ishell. Thank you guys for tuning back into my channel. And in today's video, I wanted to share with you a routine that I've been doing for the past couple of years, but kind of fell off. And now that I have a new addition to the routine, I want to pick it back up. So I will be introducing the Beauty Butterfly Collagen. It is a dietary supplement and it's a powder, and I want to add it to my smoothies that I make in the morning. So I'm really excited to try this out. So I have a lot of good ingredients. I went shopping this past week and I love fruity and tropical smoothies. So I have a pineapple, I have a few mangoes. I use mangoes. I said mangoes. Mangoes. I love mangoes. Strawberries and orange juice. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the pineapple and the mango and I'll put it in my smoothie. And then I'm going to add a scoop of this Beauty Butterfly Collagen into my smoothie, and it's supposed to really help the hair, skin, and nails flourish. And I'm so excited about this because, as you guys can tell, I am newly fully natural. So I don't have any more relaxed ends, and I am looking for something that will help me grow my hair faster, longer. Although healthy hair is better than long hair by far, all day, every day, I do want length. So this is supposed to help me in getting my hair to grow long, luscious locks, like Goldilocks. Yeah, so come along with me. I will show you guys what I'm doing down here. So in my blender, my NutriBullet blender thingy, I'm gonna put my strawberries, my pineapples, my mango, crushed ice, a splash of orange juice, so it comes with this cute little scooper, and I'm just gonna take one scoop, and it's purple. It's my favorite color. And I'm just going to add it to the smoothie. Ooh, that's a lot. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. So I have my smoothie and it's so pretty. It actually matches me. And one thing I love about this container is that it actually fits in my car cup holders. I don't go to work that often, but when I do, I try to go on once a week or so. But this can actually fit in my cup holder. And compared to this, I usually bring this to work and it's always moving because I kind of drive a little crazy. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. This actually fits. And then also this little compartment at the bottom, you can put your vitamins or any type of accessories that you have. So I take daily vitamins. I take vitamins. I do my multivitamins, and I try not to eat these until take them until I actually eat food. So I take 2 of those. I take vitamin C, vitamin D, and then I have some hair vitamins. So I love that this little compartment, I can just put them in there and just take it to go with me. And I usually put, it's funny, this is how I have my vitamins this week. I put them in this little container and take it like that, but now I have something and it's already here. So when I'm ready to take my smoothie and take my vitamins, I can do it all at once. And like I said, I usually wait until I actually have food on my stomach because otherwise I would get nauseous. Now let's taste it. I can taste it a little bit. I do taste all of my fruits. I have mango, pineapple, and strawberry. I can taste the berry flavor. Oh, you can't tell. Like if I was just drinking it just to drink it and not like worrying about the taste, I wouldn't be able to taste it. It's not that distinct to put your finger on it. Oh, I have this thing in my drink and it's making it taste bad or whatever. This actually tastes really good. I love that it's made without artificial colors, GMO, gluten, dairy, antibiotics, or mercury and heavy metals. And it has butterfly flower and acai berry in it. So that's the berry that I was tasting. So I actually really do love this. And I'm going to be doing this for the next 2 weeks or so to see if it really helps support my hair, skin, and nails flourishing, you know. That's what I want. This is a hair channel, a beauty channel, so of course I want to be beautiful. I want to enhance my beauty. I want to make sure that my face looks nice, that it does not have any premature signs of aging. And I also want my nails to continue to flourish. Guys, look at my nails. I've been taking vitamins first off, and my nails never get this long and stay this long. They've been like this for a good 2 weeks now. So I'm excited about that, and I'm excited about my nails continuing to flourish and get stronger. This is a whole mood right here. You know how some girls have to pay $50, $60 to get fake nails? I got my own. So I'm really excited to use this for the next 2 weeks or so, and continuing to use it until the jar is gone. And there's a good amount here, so these scoops are kind of big as well, so it might just take 2 weeks to finish this up actually. But we will see. Let's smell it. It doesn't have that great of a smell though. One other thing, this tumbler, it comes with a little wrist thingy, so you can put it on here. And if you like to go to the gym, you can bring this to the gym with you. And you can put it on your wrist. So very cute and very travel friendly. You can take it to go with you. So I love that about it. The holidays are coming up, and I want to make sure that I prepare my body inside and outside so that when I do indulge in my Thanksgiving dinner, it won't be too harmful on my body because I'm doing this. And I'm also exercising daily at 1 o'clock p.m. with my friends. So I'm really excited to be adding this into my daily regimen. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. I love my new Teami tumbler and my new Beauty Butterfly Collagen. I'm so excited to be using these. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also click the subscribe and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And if you're interested in getting your own Teami tumbler or this dietary supplement, the collagen, there are so many that they actually have on their site. And I'll actually leave some on this side of the screen to show you guys what they do have to offer. But if you are interested in getting your own, guess what? You're in luck because I have a discount code. You can get 20% off if you use my discount code Ishell20. I will leave it down in the description box below. And if you do end up purchasing these items or any items on the website, do let me know in the comments down below if they help in making your nails, skin, and hair flourish. That is what I'm hoping for. Fingers crossed. Does anyone else do this? I try to cross all my fingers. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.